140 pounds. Oh my god. 138.3 pounds. So I got some hard maple. 31 1/4. So we use the skill saw to rough out the shape. Yeah, that's dangerous. So using a hand grinder, I made a very crude tillering stick. This will be my tillering string, not the actual string. So we made a polyester. Oh, I'm in the tillering process now. And let's see how far this thing can pull. Okay, so let's tiller to this now. I'm starting to see some weaknesses. That area is popping up a lot. So I really want to tiller this area, I think. A little bit more here. I'm going to sand this so it gets a better sticking surface. Then I'll put fiberglass matting on the back. So I'm going to experiment with the fiberglass repair kit on the bow. At this point I've sanded everything and used a wet cloth to wipe out all the sawdust. But I have to wait till tomorrow so that the wood is fully dry, or else there's no way I can work on this. You need to wait till the wood is fully dry. Then I can start working on this. But I need all my safety equipment because this thing is hardcore. It's corrosive. Barney has a lot of experience with fiberglass work, as well as my other roommate. They both have experience with fiberglass work, so they taught me how to do it. So I haven't mixed the fiberglass mixture yet. This is all dry because I just want to design how my cloth is going to be shaped. It's going to be on the back, it's going to be wrapped around. And basically, I don't have much fiberglass experience, but thank God I live with two people who've been working with it their entire lives, so they'll guide me through it. I'm going to pour the mixture there. Well, obviously first wear the safety equipment with the gloves and the mask. Most likely do it outside. Wear goggles as well. Then pour about half the container, then drop 30 drops here. Well, I'm just following the instructions. Actually, I'd do 25. It's better to go on the lower side. If you go too hard, it'll crack, according to them. And then pour it underneath the wood, and then slap these cloths on, and get it nice and flat. So I'm gonna get more guidance from them to make sure I'm doing this properly. So I can really wrap the entire bow with a solid piece of fiberglass cloth. Once I have that fiberglass cloth, I'll be much more confident when I'm bending this bow. The fiberglass itself might actually crack, but that's fine as long as the wood doesn't crack. Because my ultimate goal is to make sure the wood doesn't crack. So this experiment will tell me. So far, I'm able to pull this bow full draw with 1 inch brace height. 1 inch brace height, which I definitely need to increase. So I got the fiberglass matting on here, and after I waited for 1 hour, I tied it with the green rope. Should have done that earlier, but then I realized the green rope wasn't really tying onto the fiberglass matting well, so I put out the masking tape, so the tape will be wrapping around. So this is after a day. Check this out. You okay, man?
Yeah, walking in the hoses.
Nice. So after 2 days of curing, it looks a lot better now. It's a lot drier. I think I'm ready for the... maybe I'll wait till the end of the week just in case, but the fiberglass cloth on the ends here was not exposed to the hardener or the resin, so they're still very soft because they didn't touch it at all. It was more in the center. Because it's my first time working with fiberglass, I have no idea what I'm doing. So I unraveled most of the green tape. I'll clean up the rest, and it just looks so cool. Like, check out the resin. It looks like maple syrup. This bow is hard maple. I don't know what specific species, but it's backed with fiberglass, but it looks like maple syrup resin. It just looks so Canadian. And the funny thing, you see that white stuff here? It makes it look really cool. Like, you can see it cured pretty well. Like, most of the center is solid rock hard glass, which is fine because the center is barely gonna bend for a 7 feet long bow. This part will bend maybe a few millimeters, so I'm pretty confident that this fiberglass will bend that few millimeters. Even I'm a novice. I've never worked with fiberglass before, so I don't know how good my curing was. But on this side is where I'm worried about. I'm worried that it's not gonna bend much, but like you can see, if I just put some weight here, it's gonna bend. How much it bends, I don't know. It might crack or explode here. So my other idea is to wrap it with packaging tape so it really, packs on so it doesn't peel off. That's my main concern right now. So the bow looks a lot better. Here's my better camera. I put duct tape on there because I was worried about it exploding when I was stringing it, but it was okay. The limbs are pretty heavy. It's not going to be an efficient bow, but definitely a heavy bow, and the fiberglass does stick on pretty well. It's very hard to peel that off. I almost bonded, fused in, and you can see my draw length when I go pulling it. The fiberglass doesn't fall apart, which is really good. That's exactly what I need. Because the bow is so long at 7 feet, it's perfect, I think, for this kind of Bondo type fiberglass. Guys, a bow that cost me $30 to make, and that $30 is only the fiberglass kit. The wood was free, and it's basically a Warbow. At this point, it's not done. So at this point, the brace height's really low at only 1-2 inches. So I want to definitely increase the brace height. Okay, so this tiller is much better now. I can finally string it with a brace height. I'm very excited. I definitely got the fiberglass to stick to the wood, which I'm really happy about. Maple. I gotta say, Barney, you've been collecting some stuff. Yeah, I got it. Let's do that. Yeah, let's do the body work. How much did you get this house for? How did you get it? It cost you $1,000 to get it home.
Long story.
Was it that trailer thing?
One of the reasons I was so mad the other night.
Oh, was it one of those trailers that broke down and then your tractor broke down and then the cops OPP fucked you up?
This is the trail. The animals were getting in here and pooping and peeing, so I gotta clean it up a bit, but
Watch out, you might get some squatters. Just got a crossbow from Barney. I bought it for $40. There's no trigger system, so I gotta design the trigger system. Ah!
You got it.
Yeah. Wow. Oh my god. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Man, okay. Now I gotta put a string on this. Oh, wow, I'm really bleeding.
So you
What surface? What is it? Here's how I de-string it. Center, you see, it's more on this side. Can you twist on the other side?
the white one.
Yeah. But yeah, here's the bow. Now that it has a shootable brace height. With this much brace height, I can wear an arm guard and feel, okay, probably you need 1 more inch. But what's the draw weight on this thing? Definitely above 100 pounds, no idea. Oh, it's heavy. Yeah! Oh. Feels like 120 pounds at least. Above 120, probably 140. I give it 120 to 140 pounds. Definitely a Warbow. Okay. First one's 120 pounds. Let's try it again. £140. Oh my god. 138.3 pounds. 138.3. There it is, right there. Yeah, and then the arrow was approximately right here, about 34 or 33 inch draw length. So this bow, let's say 33 to be conservative. So this bow is 138 pounds at 33 inches. I shot it. That's about 31 inch draw length. I don't know. It's definitely above 120 pounds, I know. But maybe I put it to 130. How can you precisely measure your draw length, honestly? Because I have the scale, but if I pull the scale, I can't be shooting it at the same time. So I would love to know a better way of getting a precise number of your draw weight at your draw length. So this will be the perfect training bow for me in the future. I'm sorry, I don't know why, I just love screaming. I'm in the middle of nowhere in Canada, so if I scream, nobody cares.